Coming to our topic, what is this novel patent services? We are an exclusive intellectual property services based firm providing specialized expert business solutions that simplify the logistics around intellectual property research. It is an ISO certified company, and our services includes intellectual property services, paralegal support services, patent prosecution services, patent search services, business strategy services. Our clients' engagements are across US, Europe, and India. Currently, we are working with corporates, universities, research units, legal firms, and independent inventors in US and India also. And we currently employ 50 plus full-time engineering professionals. This is our brief introduction about our company. And one in Novel Group, there are two more companies are there. One is Novel IPR Academy, and another one is Novel Innovation Design Studio. In Novel IPR Academy, we are teaching, we are availing the IP services to students, teachers, professionals, and Novel Innovation Design Studio helps to innovate the designs, innovate the ideas in Novel Innovation Design Studio. Okay. Uh, Coming to our class, before going to how to search a patent, what is IP? IP means we know we all are having properties. Properties are two types. First one is tangible assets, and second one is intangible assets. We know what is tangible assets. In tangible assets also there are two types, movable and immovable properties. Movable properties means car, furniture, etc. And immovable properties are land, building. Okay. What is intangible asset means it is intellectual property. Intellectual property means our brain. Our brain is our property. Our idea is our property. That is intellectual property. Okay. Coming to IPR rights, these all are coming under IPR rights. First one is patent, and second one trade secret, third one trademark, geographical indications, copyright, and industrial design. Uh, do you all of you know what is patent? Patent means it's a right given for inventions. Trade secret means it's a procedure of or it's a manufacturing procedure or it's a recipe formula. For example, if we take KFC, they are preparing the chicken recipe. What are the procedure they are involved in that recipe? That is trade secret. Okay, coming to trademark, you know, brands, logos, symbols, these all are coming under this trademark. Geographical indications means it's Tirupati Laddu, TTD Laddu, and Darjeeling tea. These all are coming under geographical indications. They are indications of their geographical. And copyright means it is the right given to literature works, artistic works, music albums, like that. Industrial design means it's any shape of the of the design. Some of the examples here coming under this trademark: brand, logo, symbol. Copyright means artistic work. The indication means Darjeeling tea and yellow bottle. And the last one is trade secret. These all are coming under IP rights, intellectual property rights. Today we are mainly focusing on patent. What is patent? I already told you. Patent means it's a right given for inventions. What type of inventions? What is that? What is the criteria? Which which criteria it has to satisfy to get a patent invention? There are three criteria. First one is novelty, and second one is non-obviousness, and third one is invention. and third one is industrial applicability. Is it clear? Is it clear, Alok?
Students, you may type in the chat box if you have any question, or if you are not able to follow, you can please type in the chat box.
If you want any questions, please raise your hand. Then I will stop
Yes,
discussion.
yes.
If you have any queries,
You
please
can please
ask.
carry on. You can please
Is it
carry
so?
on now. If there is any question, so I will read it out from the chat box, or if anybody raises the hand, also I can inform you about that.
Okay, okay.
हाँ 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 कर दिया
Just,
85.
okay, these three are criteria of a criteria for a patent. Okay, first one is novelty, second one is non-obviousness, and third one is industrial applicability. What is this novelty? Novelty means it must be new thing, new, novel in the sense it's a new. If you invent something, for suppose if you uh, invent any mission, any mission with some kind of by reducing the parts, by reducing the, for suppose if you invent a generator, okay, for suppose you are reducing the what are the material required to manufacture, material required to design a generator. That means you're reducing the windings, you're reducing the yoke material. If you reduce those materials, that is novel. That means if already generators are there, but they are not reducing the winding material, you are reducing the winding. That is comes under novelty. Coming to non-obviousness, it is the main in for any invention will get into patent. Every examiner rejects in this case. Everybody if they invent something, they they uh, they definitely change the something that is coming under this novelty. But here, non-obviousness is the main thing. It must be, it involves an inventive step. What is this inventive step? For suppose we know wipers and we know the variable speed motors. These two are already known thing. Wipers are there and variable speed motors are there. If you combine these two, that means wiper moves with variable speed. Okay, that is non-obviousness case. That means wipers are there, variable speed motors are there, but no one no one will not combine these two things until now. Then you get a patent, because there is a chance to get you combine these two. What I am saying is, if some principles are there, the principles for only some procedures, some KCL law is there, KVL law is there, some electromagnetic induction principle is there. These all are known things. But if you use this principle to other purpose, then you will get a patent. That means your invention must have a inventive step. Okay, everybody change designs, everybody reduce materials, everybody reduce costs, but it's already in a touch screen is there, touch mobile is there. If you invent the same touch screen to another device, okay, if you want to take a patent for touch screen, patent examiner will not give to patent because you are copying touch screen from phone to other application. Okay, You changing from phone touch screen from phone to another device, that is novel. No one done in before. Okay, but it is the non-obvious. That means it is the obvious thing. You are taking one one technology from, you are changing the application. Just, is it clear? Is it clear so far?
Students, please respond to the questions. Maybe you can carry on. If they have any question at the end of your presentation, they can ask that.
I don't know, ma'am. Actually, they are listening or not.
Yeah, yeah, that
That's
I
why
also
I'm
understand.
asking questions.
Yeah, that I also understand. I'm not sure what I can
Okay.
do. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is for every invention. There is a there must be an inventor step. Okay. You are not doing any mixing, or you are not done any combining from all the three inventions. Okay, that is not a inventive step. And the third one is industrial applicability. Every invention has to use for public domain. Okay, these three are the criteria for patent to be issued. Okay, and next one. Okay, importance of patents. First, you come with basic idea or goal, then you're doing research. These all are taking so much of time. Okay, if you take patent, your investments, your research and development. Patent allows for the recovery of investments made in research and development. Without patents, successful products attract copies, so that investments in research and development cannot be recovered. That is the importance of patent. If you take the patent, you have all the rights to commercialize your invention. If you are not in taken patent, so copies attracts your product. They are also manufacturing the same product. We didn't suit them. We didn't influence them because we don't have any patent. That is the main importance of patent. That is the that's why all of the inventors taking patents, taking the right from government about their inventions. Okay, if you invent, more time, more investment, then you will definitely take a patent. That is the main challenge. Okay, this is the importance of patent. And structure of patent. Do you know, if you see the patent structure, there is some title is there, abstract is there, description. In the description, there are field of the invention is there. That means which field they are doing this invention. And after that, background is there. Background means what are the problems involved in this, what are the problems to rectify about our invention. Okay, prior art problems. What are the prior art problems in the background, and what is the summary, and detailed description is there in the description part. Claims. These are the heart of the patent. Whatever invention you done, those are coming under these claims only. Whatever part you have to claim it, you have to write in these claims part. And drawings, figures. Okay, for suppose here we are providing one number, US patent, US granted number. First one is US, that means country code. Second one is 7-digit number is there, that is the patent number. B2 means kind code. Kind codes tells the if it is granted or application or publication like that. Okay, this is the structure of patent. What is patent search? Patent search means search of issued patents and published patent applications for inventions that might be considered important prior art references when applying for a patent. Why this patent search is more important? That means if you invent something, if you have some idea, but you don't know whether it is patentable or not. Okay, search is not only for our idea is patentable or not, we have to assess our idea and we have to uh, develop our idea to more attractive, more powerful. That that all these criteria will satisfy by doing this patent search. That's why more patent search is more important for inventors. Okay, if they search, they know what is this patent, what are the similar kind of patents are around our invention, what are the technologies presently in market. They know everything by doing this patent search. They know the pulse of the market and they know the subject of the uh, what type of technologies currently they are doing. They know everything. They don't they are not only knowing the patentability, if it is our invention is not patent or not, they also know what is the technology they are presently running and what are the currently technologies, what are the materials they are using, everything. This coming under this patent search. That's why patent search is more important to before going to patent file. Okay, that's why patent search is avoid spending time and money on an invention that has already been invented. If already patent, our idea is already patented, then there is time waste. If we file simply, if we have idea and if we simply file a patent, then time and money will waste if it is already patent exists on that same technology. Okay, that's why patent search is more useful to reduce time and money. It assesses the patentability of an invention before investing in an expensive patent application process and may find opportunities to improve on existing technology gaps. I already told you, and helps to invalidate a competitor's patent or patents. And it helps to determine the value or validity of a okay, provides information to assess the strength of a company's patent portfolio. These That's why they are doing research and R&D department doing this patent search. Okay, this is the importance of patent search. This is also importance of patent search performed prior to filing a patent application, and time and money can be saved if the chances of approval are low. Opportunity work around existing inventions and increasing patentability, and the opportunity to improve upon other inventions. Okay, and this is the main how to perform a patent search. All are the students waiting for this only. How to perform a patent search. Okay. Uh, if you simple patent search means if you want to know any, use Google, right? You open the Google and type whatever you want, whatever questions you have, simply type it. Same also like this in Google patent search. Okay, there are some strategies are there, keyword strategies, classification codes based search, file dates based search, assignee based search, inventor based search, and citations analysis. These are the strategies. Okay, keyword based search means we are all doing in Google. That means in I already told you the patent structure, pay title, abstract, claim, specification means for suppose in Google Patents. Okay. Uh, Hello. Is it visible on Google Patent screen?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. In that search bar, I typed refrigerator door user interface. Right. Simply in Google, like I searched in Google Patents. That means it is in advanced search, Google Patents advanced search. In the search bar, I simply type the refrigerator door user interface. Okay. In left of the window, left side of the window, there are search terms. Refrigerator door user interface. After that, synonym is there. After that, again, synonyms are there. After that, search fields, date, priority. After that, inventor. After that, assignee and patent office, language, status, type, litigation. These all are the filters. If you search for any, I want to. Share this search refrigerator door interface. That means refrigerator having door, we already know. In the door, some it has user interface to show the status of the food inside the refrigerator. If refrigerator having any apples or oranges, it simply shows on the door, okay, with a count. That is the invention. If I want to search for that invention, I simply use these keywords only: refrigerator, door, and user interface. Okay. The refrigerator is the one of the keyword. I have to search for another keywords: refrigerator, that means refrigerator, fridge, cooling unit, ice box. These are all the synonyms that we placed in synonyms box. Okay. Door means door, opening means, closing means, windows. These are all the other synonyms of the door. User interface, UI, GUI, graphical user interface, monitor, display. These all are for user interface keywords. Okay. For simply, I use multiple keywords in the left side of the search terms. Then I will search for this in Google Patents. Then I will get a patents. Okay. In the Google Patents window, it highlights also whatever keywords we search in that search box. Those keywords highlighted, we simply open that patent and we read those patents. If it is related to our technology, is there any patent uh, regarding about refrigerator door interface on refrigerator door? Okay, we have to search for that, and then we check the status of this food status. Is there any patent told status of the food on refrigerator interface, refrigerator door user interface? Okay, simply like that, we have to search for patents in based on keywords. Okay, for suppose we know the inventors or we know the assignees. For suppose we want, if we want to search any mobile phones based search, then we simply put top assignees in the assignee box. Okay, Apple, Samsung, LG. Okay, if we click on assignee bar, okay, it shows the assignees. If you type Samsung, then it shows the Samsung assignee type of patents. If we know inventor, then if we simply put a name in this inventor box, then it shows whatever patents having on those inventor. It simply shows those inventor patents. If you want to search in only US or EP, that means countries only Europe patents or US patents or Indian patents, you simply take a filter in patent office. Okay, in that countries are there. Okay, and type design patents. If you want to search any design patents, that means if you want to design any table or chair or a pen, if you want to search for this the design patents, these all are utility patents. Design patents is different than utility patents. Okay, if you want to search in any language, that is in a language bar. This is the search performed in basic search in Google Patents. Every training will do this search in this Google Patents only. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear so far?
Students, you can unmute yourself also and talk. I think this is the most important class for you guys because you can practice it on your own, and whenever you are working on something, you can do it. So, I think this is the most important class in the whole IPR course. So, if you have any doubt, please ask him and please raise your question if there's any. And when he is saying whether there is any doubt or not, at least you guys can say it is clear or it is not, because it's for you guys and this is the most important part of this course. Okay, you may please carry on. Maybe they will have some question at the end.
Okay, okay. My system is okay. And coming to search in eSpaceNet, it is Europe-based patent search. Okay. If you want to search in this e-space, yeah, just simply type whatever you have to type in Google. Just simply type refrigerator door user interface. Then you get the patents list here. Here is also some advanced search is there, classification search is there, filters are there. Here is also we have to give filters, whatever country you want, whatever assignee you want, whatever classification you want. Okay. These are coming under this eSpaceNet search. Okay. Here, this is the type of searches. What type of searches we are doing actually? Novelty or patentability searches. That means it's a novelty search. It is done to identify patents and non-patent literatures. It is recommended to be done before writing and filing a patent. Okay, sometimes it's called a pre-application search. Okay, these are the one type of search. Patentability search means if you want to file a patent for your invention, before filing that invention you have to search for this novelty search, novelty based search, patentability search. If you search, if you search this novelty search, you all are doing this search only in Google Patents and eSpaceNet. Okay, if you want to know what is the technology, if you want to know what is the technology around our invention, if you want to know what is the prior art patents background, uh, then you have to search in this Google Patents or eSpaceNet. Okay, this kind of search is this recommended to done before writing and filing the patent. In this search only we know if it is patentable or not based on the references, search references only. We know the strength of our invention. Okay, everybody want to ask this search only because if they want to know how to perform search in Google Patent, simply use keywords and simply use SMEs or in IPCs. IPCs means International Patent Classification Codes. If you type in IPC in Google only, you have the window IPC International Patent Classification Codes. Some uh, that means some appliances or some electricity, some they are segregating, they are dividing the some technologies into some classification codes. You use those codes also to do the search in space. Okay, this is the novelty search. That means it tells the if it is patent is invention is patentable or not. That is called patentability search. And second one is infringement search. Infringement search seeks to confirm that your new product won't infringe upon any enforced patents. That means if you want, if you manufacture product or if you want to get into market, you have to know is there any enforced patent are there? Is there any enforced patent that infringe your product? That means if you come with same mobile like Apple mobile, okay, if you know the what are the ports they're using, you know. then you simply use those parts and you make one mobile, and if you rename it and you will selling in market, then Apple will infringe you because they have patent on that product. If you want to come with a product, you have to search for infringement. Is there any enforced patent? Is there enforced means if it is in market, it is in live or not. Every patent has lifetime 20 years only. Okay, if it is enforced patent means that is in live patent, you can't make it as a product. After 20 years, if you have money, you can go to product. That is not a issue. After 20 years, every patent will come into public domain. If you have money, you have to you can manufacture it. Okay. This is the second type of search infringement, and third one is also freedom to operate. It's a clearance search. A clearance search which concentrates on uncovering enforceable patents that may act as roadblocks to commercialize of a product or service. That means same whatever I said in infringement one, freedom to operate such also. Is there any enforced patent are there? If you want to commercialize some product, if you want to manufacture any old refrigerator from LG, okay, you have to look for is there any patent related to that technology in force? Okay, that is coming under this freedom to operate search. Okay, state of the art search, that is means prior art search. Okay, search executed in order to determine existing solutions and potential competitors within a given technical field, and plan R&D activities more efficiently, decide whether to enter a market. If you have something, if you have idea, and if you have a patent in your pocket, okay, then you have to search, is there any patent related to this technology? Any invention, any products is there related to this technology? It will decide whether to enter a market or not. Okay, validity. The purpose of validity search is to find prior art so that a patent can be declared invalid. If you want to, uh, if you have patent and somebody suit on your patent, that means your patent copying from me. Okay, then you have to search, you have to prove their patent is invalid. Okay, that type of search is invalidity search. If you that means if you invent something, okay, first you invent pen. Okay. After that, some people invent same pen with another technology. Okay. Then you file a suit on that second person. You are copying same idea with my invention. Okay. I use only one cap. You are using two caps. Okay. That is your suit thing. Then second person will invalidate your patent. You also copied from other technology. That means you are the first one. In your before you file the patent, is there any patent related to your technology? Then your patent is also invalid. Then you can't suit other second person. This is the case in this invalidity search. Okay, and hello.
You are audible.
And one more search is yes, and one more search is patent watch. Patent watch is the another search. You have to understand what is the technologies going on. What is the if you want to research in some field, then if they want to research in some field, that means if they want to research in mobile field, mobile phones, they will ask patent watch based research. That means what are the patents filing every month or every week? What type of technologies they are developing in this? mobile technology. These type of searches coming under this patent was they want to understand the what type of technologies and what are the improvements, what are the filings they are doing every week, every month, or every uh, quarter. Okay, if they want to know what is the pulse of this technology, or what are the technologies they are developing, which area they want to file a more patents, if they research or if the company want to know what type of technologies coming under this mobile phone, if they ask for patent watch based type of search. Okay, this is the search case. These are the basics in patent search. Okay. Uh, just a minute. Hello. Hello.
Yes, you are audible. Hello.
Okay. Is there any questions, queries?
Hello, students. So you have attended the class for patent search. The speaker is waiting for your question now. You can unmute yourself or you can drop it in the chat box also. I'll be monitoring the chat box. As I said, this was the most important part of your IPR course. So I hope there will be some question. When I was when I took the patent classes, I told you about the free databases and paid databases. Remember? So these are the free databases that he was talking today about Google Patent and ESPASnet. So here you can directly see how you can do it, how you can search it in those databases. So you in your day-to-day work also in your project, or if you are doing some publication work, this can be really very useful. So we are waiting for your question. There should be some question because today is the last class and tomorrow I will keep this the same timing, right? So tomorrow I will keep you for your question and answer. If you guys have any questions, so tomorrow I will keep you for keep the class for that, and then next week on Thursday, so that is 15th, you guys will have your third internal assessment. Okay, I guess in the schedule, the class schedule, it was mentioned that the assessment will be tomorrow, but I'm changing it because if you guys have any query or something, so we can discuss it tomorrow, and we will have the assessment on next Thursday, 15th. So, anyone, any question? If you don't ask any question, then how you will learn it?
ఆ, మీకు అంటే ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అన్నా అడగచ్చు. అంటే మీరు సెర్చ్ ఎలా చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు? అంటే దేని మీద సెర్చ్ చేయాలి? ఎలాగా? అసలు ఐపీ సెర్చ్ అంటే ఏంటి? నాన్ ఐపీ సెర్చ్ అంటే ఏంటి? మీరసలు ఏదన్నా ఒక ఐడియా మీకుంటే మీరు ఎలా సెర్చ్ చేద్దాం అని అనుకుంటున్నారు? ఎనీ డౌట్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్. మీకు ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్‌లో అడగాలన్నా ప్రాబ్లమ్ లేదు. యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ మీ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఆల్సో. అంటే పోనీ ఇప్పటి వరకు ఏం అర్థమైంది? సెర్చ్ ఏం టైప్ ఆఫ్ సెర్చెస్ చెప్పాము? అసలు ఇప్పటి వరకు చెప్పింది ఏమన్నా అర్థమైందా? అర్థం కాలేదా?